Right now at 5, safeguarding abortion access. President Biden signing a new executive order that's aimed at protecting reproductive care. The presidential action comes 2 weeks after the U.S. Supreme Court threw out the landmark Roe v. Wade ruling on abortion.
Since then, nearly a dozen states have banned abortion, and more states are working to make it more difficult or illegal.
Mary Jo Ola reports on what this order does and the response here in Wisconsin.
Executive order is protecting access to reproductive health care.
President Joe Biden used his executive power Friday in an attempt to defend access to abortion and reproductive health services. It comes 2 weeks after the U.S. Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade, putting it on the states to determine the legality of abortions.
And that wasn't about the Constitution or the law. It was about a deep, long-seating antipathy toward Roe and the broader right to privacy.
The executive order directs the Secretary of Health and Human Services to take additional action to protect medication abortions, expand access to contraception, and ensure pregnant women or those going through pregnancy loss can get emergency medical care. Anticipating legal challenges, it convenes pro bono lawyers to represent patients, providers, and third parties lawfully seeking or providing abortions. Michelle Velasquez is the Director of Legal Advocacy and Services for Planned Parenthood Advocates of Wisconsin.
I think it's also important to really think about the fact that it took a really long time for Roe v. Wade to be overturned. And so we may not see a dramatic shift overnight in every single state, but I think, these are the types of steps that we can take to restore access state by state.
Wisconsin Right to Life's legislative director says they're disappointed, but they're focused on making sure pregnant women facing housing or healthcare insecurity are supported.
They want to continue to push access to abortion, but they don't want to have these important conversations about what does it really look like to support and empower women.
The executive order calls on the Federal Trade Commission to consider steps to protect patient privacy when seeking information on abortion services. The HHS secretary was ordered to report back within 30 days. In Milwaukee, Mary Jo Ola, TMJ4 News.